Hi everybody, we are back at the pond. Just coming to do some fishing. It rained yesterday for, I don't know, probably an hour. Rained pretty hard and it's supposed to shower some today. But I figured we'd get out here and we're gonna throw some top water around and Texas rig and just see if they buy it. But yeah, let's get right into the video. Guys, we just got in the water, as you guys can tell. We're actually standing on the new decking and it's working pretty good right now. Definitely gonna do some future modifications to it, but we're not going to get into that right now. Like I said earlier, it rained a lot in about an hour, so we're going to see if we can't get on a topwater bite. I actually haven't threw a topwater. Actually, never mind. Yes, I have. I've thrown a buzzbait and I've caught 2 to 3 fish already. That's been a month and a half ago probably, so we're going to throw the spook this time. And we're gonna see if we can get it done. But we're gonna kind of get up in the shallower stuff and on this bank. That seems where they like to hang out. We might even throw up in here some. So let's get right into it. I think the line's on one of the hooks. No, it's not. Oh, got it. Yep. Oh, no, we let it go. Ooh, first blow up of the day, guys. It's going to be a good day, I feel like. Let's see if we can. I probably should have followed up in there with a worm, but got him. Oh, goodness, guys. It's a little one, but first fish of the day. Oh, stay down. He's not that little, but still, first fish of the day on the spook. That's awesome, guys. Oh, he's trying to get away. It's a little spotted bass. Woo, we're gonna boat flip him. Not a bad fish. Not a bad fish at all. I had him pinned pretty good. Oh, he's peeing everywhere. God, ooh, we missed it. Ooh, second blow up of the day, guys. This is gonna be a great day. If I can get this up in that little spot in those trees. Probably get somewhere here. Told you. I knew it. We got him. I called it. I called it. This is another spotted bass. Ooh, another spot. Not bad. Second fish. Third blow up today, I think. Second fish of the day. Still pretty fat, but another spotted bass. See you later, guy. I think we're gonna try to catch this fish and then we're gonna go over there, pine this stuff, and go where we caught our first one. Oh yeah, watched him come up and eat it. This is probably the biggest one I've caught. Oh, I snagged him. Oh, he's got that head power. I pretty much snagged him, so. Oh yeah, this is the biggest one we've caught, it looks like. Hopefully we don't lose him. Get out of there, grass. There we go. He's got all that head power, so we got a snag on him. He missed it, but. Yeah, that's the biggest one of the day. It's probably like a 3-pounder, to be honest with you. That's a chunk. Nice one. This one's a large, I think. Nope, this is a spotted bass. Another spotted bass. Not bad. Oh no, we didn't snag him. We got him. Legal catch. But we did get down in there, so. He's got it. Got him that time. Little bitty guy. We got him though. He's blown up on it if that's the same bass, he's blown up on this spook 6 times today. That's insane. Buddy wanted it. Goodness. Absolutely choked the spook. Absolutely choked the spook. Let's get this guy unhooked real quick. Put my rod down there, give me some slack. Yeah, I pinned him pretty good. But he absolutely choked this spook, so. I'll use my pliers real quick. So I can get this hook out easier, faster, because we're trying to fish as much as we can right now. Not bad, smallest of the day, but see, guy. Oh, yep. There he is. It's probably a spotted bass. He's fighting. We can keep him out of that water. Watched him come up and eat it too. Okay, Jimmy. Okay, settle down. Get our rod right here. He's not too happy about getting hooked. But I watched him come up and eat it. He crushed it too. Right in the bottom of the lip. You wasn't going nowhere, was you? Alright. Not the biggest, but another like probably close to 2. See you, guy. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment and tell me how I'm doing on the videos. Go and hit that bell to all post notifications so you're notified when I post. And remember, if we can get 200 subs by June 16th, I will be doing a giveaway. But anyways, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.